Good day to everyone. How are you today? I am fine and I hope you are well. My name is AKM Shamsul Alam. Now I am going to create a new YouTube channel with a new Gmail ID and password, then how to make a brand channel. Then sign in with Gmail and with password. You can see a dialog box. Choose how you'll appear on YouTube. And you type here in name box, type your channel name. Then edit your handle, the bellows handle box. I have already changed my channel name and change handle name Shams US5. Now you press the create button. I have already changed my channel name Earn with Shams. But we can't edit picture just now. It will change after create YouTube channel. We will go view YouTube channel. For watching my new channel, how is showing it? Just go YouTube Studio. For watching channel dashboard, content, analytics, etc. All are done without channel picture or logo.